Everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. On this video tutorial, I want to teach you how you can install application on your phone. Maybe you just buy your phone for the first time, you want to install application on it, or you flash it, or you wipe it, or you have been using your phone for a very long time and you want to install application onto it for the first time. Just follow me on this video tutorial that I'm going to teach you. Click on Play Store and make sure before you come here to open your Play Store, you should have created a Gmail account before. I mean, you must have an email address. Just sign in here. If you don't have, check my video. I've created a video on how to create a Gmail account for free. The phone is loading. Please wait till. After the phone finished loading, it will tell us that we should enter our email address followed by the password. So in order to have access to the Play Store to install any application that we want to install. So this is it now. Use your Google account. The account will be added to this device and available to other Google apps. So we click on enter or phone. What we are going to do here is that we are going to enter our email address. So I have already created one for myself before. So I will just enter it here. So after I've entered my email address, I will click on next. Just make sure you don't make any mistake on your email address so that the Play Store won't reject it back. Wait while the thing is loading. So yeah, I'm going to enter my password. So after the password like this, you press on next. So just say we publish the Google terms of service so that you know what to expect as you use our service. By clicking I agree, you agree to these terms. You are also agreeing to the Google Play terms of service. We enable discovery and management of applications. And remember, the Google privacy policy describes how Google handles information generally generated as you use Google services. You can always visit your Google account.google.com to take a privacy checkup or to adjust your privacy control. So what next now is that we are going to press on I agree. Wait oh, the internet is loading. Believe me, if also you are doing this thing, this is how it's going to take you. So it do take a while before finishing up. But next time when you want to install any application, when you just press on the Play Store like this, it will open easily, instantly. So backup device data. No, I'm not backing up any device. I'm not backing up any device data. Just accept. Wait while the thing is loading. It is taking us to the Play Store like this. I think so. Yeah. Finally, we are there. So what next now is that, assuming you want to install any application, check the bottom here. You see games, applications, search. Just if the application you want to install is you didn't find it there here, or you want to take a shortcut, you just click on search. After clicking on search like this, you see search applications and games. Just click here. What are you going to press here? You just press the name of application that you want to install. Let's assume I want to install in short application. Let's say in short. It has bring the suggestion for me. So this is it. Install in short application photo video editors 2024. I click on it like this. So this is the application video maker. No, this is the application video editor maker. That is in short video editor. So I will you just click on it like this. Any application that you want to install new, I'm just using this one to do a practical. You understand? So after pending, the application will start to be installing. But it's not that I want to install, I don't need the application. So I'm going to cancel it when it start to be installing. But just to make it clear to you. So just wait and see. You to start now. The internet is very bad. The internet is very bad. Maybe we should cancel. The internet is bad. So that is it. Anytime you want to install application, this is how you are going to do it. Thank you guys for watching my video tutorial. Please like my video, follow my, subscribe to my channel, and then if you have any video you want, any tutorial, any application you want me to create, or anything you want me to do video on, just tag me in my comment section. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you.